Thank you very much. I'm just so happy to be here today. I'm just running amok. I'm running down the paddock and everything.
Show us off, mate. Go, go, go. Here we are at the Bathurst 6 Hour. We've got a 62 car grid. Is there going to be a safety car? Yes, there's going to be a safety car. Of course there is. And it's going to rain tomorrow as well. And luckily, I am good in the wet. But someone else that's good in the wet is Edward. Come through. Where are you from?
From England initially. Living in Brisbane now.
Apparently you're good in the wet. He's good with his missus in the
Oh, you know, every now and then.
Going up the hill, if you shift a gear too early, you're let's be honest. You need to keep the revs up.
You got to keep it up. Like, you got to straight off the limmy, hit when he goes, wah, 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 then you shift.
Well, rest in peace my engine for that sake. It's good to see all these other people from around Australia come forward for this XL event. We can't wait.
Dude, Mount Panorama! I just want to finish, drive the car onto the trailer in one piece. That's all I want to do.
That is literally all of us. And
I want my mum to see me on TV.
Please, Stand Sport, we're begging you, put the back markers in, I swear to God. Let's get into it. Go, go, quick, 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 quick. Spit on it. This is super shock suspension, it's really good! We've got another professional in the back. Ryan, one of your goals for XLs this weekend. No win, mate.
For Ryan Crusher, he win, he win, he win.
Just had a bunch of older ladies come up to him and ask about his career. So
we got 3 new followers, and that's the way.
That's the goal. If they've got Facebook, mate.
Oh, probably not.
Yeah.
I'm very keen.
How many times have you driven Bathurst?
Once.
Oh shit. You need to walk Bathurst at least once because it is a nightmare climbing up this hill, and going down is just as fun. I've done this like a bunch of times on Gran Turismo, so we should be okay. I mean, if I scrape a mirror on the wall, it looks even cooler.
Oh, dude. How's this? Coming over the top, completely blind. This is where XLs shine. No power, all downhill. Gravity's up, man.
It's most likely going to rain, and we've just had a 1 hour driver's briefing, so it's been strictly said that we need to keep as clean as possible and just enjoy the experience. 45 other people entered for this event in XLs and didn't get the opportunity, so we're so grateful to be here. And off we go tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock.
The next day.
Be brave.
Brave.
Fast. We're going to keep it off the walls. We're going to finish the weekend.
Woo!
I've been driving in my car, listening to Jeremy Clarkson.
So we just did our first practice session, and I mean, undoubtedly, I am excited. I don't know how to show it. It must look so boring watching XLs from the outside, but on the inside, these things look insane. So I can finally say, I've done Bathurst.
Yeah, I was showing him a bill. Yeah, no, it was good. We have a bit of experience here, so you know that always helps. But pole's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Hopefully we can keep moving forward, eh?
He win, he win, he win.
Number 1.
P18. No, we'll have a nice we'll have a nice romantic date. Too wide through Skyline, I think.
So as you guys can see, everyone's just paying Ryan cash for a bit of money right now for some tips. It's really exciting stuff. Today is race day, so we are in P36. Now I just want to clarify this. I gained 9 seconds of my personal best from practice to qualifying, which is a huge amount. To anyone that's going to ever come and race here, you need to take your time because it is not a track you can just learn in a couple laps. So to gain 9 seconds from practice to qualifying is huge. That's a huge achievement, so I'm super stoked about that.
Easter Day, oh Easter Day.
What do I do? What pose do I do?
So we've just had race 1. I want to get your thoughts on that, and I don't know if you've seen the coverage yet, but you did pretty well. You were pretty much up there.
Yep, yeah, no, so I'm pretty happy with that race. Started P28 and ended up P21. bit of a bummer those 2 accidents happened and we went under safety car, but that's just racing, isn't it? And yeah, hopefully it doesn't happen in the next one.
I've gained 9 spots, which I'm pretty happy about. I mean, we avoided any carnage. Let's get it. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, so we've been having gearbox issues all weekend, and then thought we figured it out, and then we didn't, and then thought we did again, but it ended up being the cable snap.
It's all right. Fingers crossed the car will be okay for the next one, but all you can do is overtake people now.
That's it. Bit of fun.
Let's go. Let's go. It's very dark. Obviously, we were going into the sunset and further beyond. I started P27 and I finished P27. As you see from my start, I just had insane wheel spin. I dumped the clutch and I completely forgot. I had cold tyres and I was on the wet side of the track, so pretty sad. Asher Johnston was millimetres from hitting the wall twice down Conrod. They went 3 wide. I don't know how Asher Johnston saved it. It was absolutely shocking, but one more to go. Let's see how we go.
Have fun.
I love you. Don't record the cup. Don't record the cup. Don't record the cup. Nobody knows. I'm cheating, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and thanks to the Galliers and Jess May. Cool.
I'm really disappointed.